Are you trying to locate the fuse box in your Audi Q7, 2016 to 2020? Wondering where each fuse is placed or how to read the fuse box diagram correctly? In this guide, we'll walk you through the exact location of the fuse box and provide an easy-to-understand diagram to help you identify the fuses for various systems. Passenger compartment fuse box. In the 2016 to 2019 Audi Q7, the passenger compartment fuse box manages essential interior systems such as the instrument cluster, infotainment system, climate control, and interior lighting. It also powers features like power seats, windows, central locking, and airbag modules, ensuring comfort, convenience, and safety inside the cabin. In the 2020 Audi Q7, the passenger compartment fuse box powers the instrument cluster, infotainment, lighting, and climate control. It also supports power seats, airbags, and driver assistance systems. Passenger compartment fuse box, left-hand drive plus right-hand drive. In the 2016 to 2019 Audi Q7, the footwell fuse box controls systems like interior lighting, central locking, power windows, and climate controls. It ensures reliable power distribution to essential comfort and convenience features. In the 2020 Audi Q7, the footwell fuse box powers key functions such as interior lighting, central locking, power windows, and climate control. It supports comfort and convenience features within the cabin. Luggage compartment fuse box. In the 2016 to 2019 Audi Q7, the luggage compartment fuse box controls systems like the rear lights, power tailgate, trailer module, and rear climate control. It ensures proper power supply to rear-end comfort, lighting, and utility features. In the 2020 Audi Q7, the luggage compartment fuse box manages power for the rear lights, power tailgate, and trailer hitch module, along with rear climate control. It ensures reliable electrical support for convenience, lighting, and towing functions in the rear.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile fuse, a Tandard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure.
If this guide on fuses and fuse box diagram is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.